Now let's create a user interaction program where we are going to take input from the user. We will store it in a variable and we will append that variable to a string which will greet the user. So let's start. Let's display a message to the user. Please enter your name, and then we are going to take the input from the user and we are going to store that input in a variable. So I will just declare a variable name, and then there is a command called as input which will wait until the user just given any input to the console and then hit enter. So we will get the entire value in our name variable, and to greet a user I will just simply type print hello. Then we don't know what will be the value inside that variable, but we know that whatever the value will be, it will be stored in the name variable, right? So I will just simply append the name variable, and this is how we append. And I'm not using dot format as shown in previous video because we know that the name will be a string, it will not be an integer. So let's use this simple append. Okay, hello name, nice to meet you. And let's run this program. Please enter your name. I will just write Vivek. And as you can see, it has successfully printed hello Vivek, nice to meet you. So this was the use of input function. The console waited until I provided the correct input, that is my name Vivek, and as soon as I hit enter, the code below it got executed. Okay, now what if I pass any integers? Let's consider this one, and it has taken the same integers as well because it is considering it as a string. But now let's consider if I want any input in integer format, then what I have to do? I will just simply put int and surround the input function. And now whenever if I provided any input which is of integer type, it is going to run error because it is going to just convert that entire thing into integer. Even if I provided a string value, that is my name Vivek, it is going to give us error because we cannot convert a string into an integer. So let me just remove this one. But so far, if I just use the simple input function, it is also going to accept the integers as well. So this was a basic input function, and we can also convert this into a simpler format. Instead of writing this message in the print statement, I will just simply use name is equals to input, in parenthesis I will print the message, and this will work the same. And as you can see, it is working the same. We can display whatever message we want inside this input statement, and it is going to print out the same. And if I type any value, let's consider Vivek, it is going to work the same. So this is how we interact with users through Python console. And in our upcoming mini projects where we are dealing with the Python console, we are going to interact with user with the same method. So see you in the next one.